In this short video, I'm going to show how easy it is to run your own boiler comparison quote on your new boiler. Simply enter your name, email address and installation postcode so the system can generate a cost for the installation, and then click to the next screen. Select the job type that you require. For our boiler, it's a combination boiler, so I'm going to click next where it's already ticked. We don't want to move our boiler, so the boiler is going to stay in the same position, and I can click next on same position. To pick the type of boiler, it may be handy to refer to an existing quote. Alternatively, look at the boiler. Ours is a 28i Junior and choose from the list there. The closest we've got to the 28i is a Greenstar 30i. You'll see as you move through, the system generates a parts cost and a labour cost, so you can see each individual price as you go. The next question is about the controls. We don't need any new controls, so I'm going to select not required. After you've entered the question about the controls, you have to answer the one about the condense route. New boilers produce a water vapour that has to go into the drain. Our boiler is already that type of boiler, so therefore we don't need to run a new pipe, and it says not required, and I'll click next on that. The flue for our boiler, which is what takes the fumes to the outside, comes out the top of the boiler, goes to the rear and goes outside. So out of the options, I can select horizontal rear flue. The next question is about the system. I don't want to power flush our heating. For more information about power flushing, look at our other video. I'm just going to chemically flush the system and have a system filter to protect my new boiler. So that option is already selected, and I'll click next. As you can see, we're already at step 8 of 9, so it moves through really quickly. Knowing that I've got a 28i Junior boiler and I'm replacing it with a very similar boiler, I'm happy that the gas supply is adequate, so I'll select next on there. The last question is about any additional products that we may need. I have thermostatic radiator valves already, so don't want them. However, I don't have a scale reducer for the rest of the property, so I'll click the next option on that and move forward. You then see that we get to the summary page where I have a parts cost, a labour cost and a total cost for my installation. If I then want to proceed, I simply press order parts and book installation to pay for my materials.